Hey guys, what's up? It's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle here, back with a brand new video review of MATZILLA that I've been looking at for the past 2 days, checking if it's gonna be overhyped. It wasn't, and well, I'm thinking it's still good to go, so let's see why. Alright guys, so we are back. We're gonna take a look at what they have here. First of all, let's take a look at an example here of AVAX saving. Quiet at first platform, like a slow burner, I call them, and still doing pretty good. The balance is very stable, so not an overhyped platform with huge whales that are like that can take a balance very quickly and start the panic. Here, one of my deposits already finished for 10 days. The one for 15 days is still going. It's on AVAX, so I'm on the rank network here, but you can still see the stats here. Some people liked it as well from my audience, and I was able to claim over 15, almost 16 AVAX here with just a small investment of, the referral commission is a lot here, but look, take a look at the staked amount here for 1.3 AVAX, the total return I will get, I'm pretty sure, only 2 days left, I'm gonna get it, 3 AVAX. So, and with 2 AVAX here, I got 3.6. So sometimes this slow burner platforms can be very attractive, and with this type of platforms that have a rising basic interest rate, sometimes it's good to go in day 2 or 3 because the total ROI changes. At first, it was 8% here, so it was not a lot in the first plan, and I love first plans. That's why this attracted me. And the second plan is also, it was like probably 6% or something like that, 6.5 maybe, the usual, and now it's 7.8, and that exchanges translates into the better return we can get here. So in 14 days, 30% seems a little bit attractive to me, so I will try this a little bit. These are the daily plans. So here, if you go here, it will accumulate, the dividends will accumulate in real time. You'll be able to withdraw anytime you want the dividends. You won't get your principal back, right? So in order to get your principal back, you will have to withdraw it in your dividends. So as long as this thing will be going, there will be balance on the contract. And remember, this is not a financial advice, guys. Always do your own research. Do not listen to anyone, even to me. Listen to yourself. And I'm only showing you what I'm doing, right? You don't have to do it. This is high risk stuff, and it works in a simple way. Usually it's audited. I advise you to go into audited contracts because then you'll see all the rules are here, and it's simple. It works until there's balance left on the contract. It's like a game. There will be losers, there will be winners. It's that simple. You can interact with the contract here. If you connect your wallet here, you'll be able to interact with with the contract. You don't have to use the website, So that's safe. That's the safest way. The website is just a front. Okay, always check what you're doing. And here, if you deposit, then it will work for 14 days as long as there's a balance on the contract. And the slow burners can usually, they are not too overhyped. The admins are still doing marketing, so that's something that, well, I'm looking at when I'm going in. Here you'll have your referral link. You can refer it to your friends, share it. There are 3 levels here, 5% from level 1. You'll see your users invited from all the levels here. They done a nice job. It's not always, you cannot always see people from other levels. Usually it's only from level 1. So I like the details that they've done here. Let's take a look at the audit, actually see the plans here. So the first plan was initially for only 112%. So, it was not as attractive as it is right now. It's 30% in 14 days. Of course, there is a risk involved here, but this is the lowest risk now. The second one was for 36% clear profit, because this first 100 is your principal that we will have to get back in your dividends. So it was around 6.5, but it is for 21 days. So okay, so these locked plans, however, are very attractive, but you won't be able to withdraw daily here. You'll get everything at the end of the plan. So that might be something too risky for you. So you'll be able to withdraw daily, taking back your principal. The risk will be less and less every day. Okay, here you will have to wait. So that's how it works. You can refer, you can go to the audit here and the contract here yourself, check everything. You can see the total staked Matic here, but here you'll see the actual balance on the contract. So that's something you need to observe. Okay, I'll be going in here with a little bit of Matic. I have some Matic on my wallet. So first we'll go into plan one, which is for me the safest one, with 100 Matic, and I will get 30 Matic in 14 days. So that's something that I like. Maybe I will add a little bit later. I will observe the balance, but it's still pretty early here, so it's good to go early. Let's wait for the confirmation, and then we're gonna put another 50 Matic here. It will also give me 30 Matic, but it will take longer time. So that's like I'm diversifying risk inside the platform. So I'm trying to earn 30 Matic here and 30 Matic here, but here I have to only put 50, but it will pay me less daily, so it will take longer time to get. But the total ROI here is twice as much as the first plan. Let's see if it's confirmed. Sometimes you need to refresh, and I should see it here and here with the date and the end time. Well, the counter, nice. I really like it. So let's go on the second plan now. I'm addicted to these things, so the guys always do their own research, right? You don't have to follow me. I mean, you can, of course, that's your decision. Remember, there's risk involved, but with the proper strategy, you can basically earn doing a lot of projects like I'm doing. But that's my strategy. Maybe it doesn't work for you. I don't care, okay? I mean, I care for you, so that's why I'm giving you education. I'm telling you openly how it works, not hyping it over too much. That's not how it works. The Matic is $1.5. I've been holding on some Matic, so I'm very happy because some of my profits from other systems are now better, because I was buying it cheap, going into some Dapps, and then holding it for the profit. So that's what you can do as well. Yeah, and 150 Matic stake now. So yeah, I'm good to go. I will do an update video soon in like 2 or 3 days to show you my progress. Thank you for watching, guys. You will find the link and in the description also the link to my Telegram chat. And if you're not my subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow the channel, to do more giveaways. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you soon on the next video.